type header. I want you to follow me. Greater than, we are going to have a logo. Okay, so H1 for that logo. Okay, H1 for that logo, dot logo, then the inner contents of the logo, inner contents of logo. Okay, now so inside it we are going to have a nav plus nav dot nav. Okay, inside it we have a UL which I will call parents list, parents list. And then inside that I'm going to have a list switch. So I want at least 4 of list, li dot nav underscore list. Okay, nav underscore leave list. Then I have an anchor tag dot nav underscore link. Okay, let's check if everything is right. Then we can have 4 of that list. Okay, let's click enter. Let's see what we have. Correct, Vaula. This is one big power of Emmet. Okay, this is Emmet